Hi everybody, Cheryl Knowlton coming at you with some truly dynamite news. I am so excited to share with you something absolutely fabulous that has happened. Many years ago, I became acquainted with Sally Hogshead, who is the amazing author of this fabulous book. And if you've ever taken most classes from me, you've heard me talk about this book and the power that it has in helping real estate professionals and really absolutely every single human on the planet, regardless of what they do for a living, to be able to figure out who you are at your core. So after meeting her, hearing her speak at the National Association of Realtors annual convention, I was blown away by how powerful this material is, and I had the desire, the spark in me to become a Fascination certified advisor so that I could actually teach this material at a totally higher level. Fast forward many, many years, and finally I was accepted into the most recent class to become a Fascination certified advisor, and I'm almost done with my training. This means two things. Number one, I will be able to start delivering personal branding workshops based on this incredible book, How the World Sees You, and helping individuals figure out at a very, very deep level who they are and own it, and then take that information and create a 2 to 3 word tagline or anthem so that you can learn how to brand yourself and answer the question, I deliver 2 words, and I'll tell you a lot more about that when we take the course. I will be teaching that soon. Definitely go to my website, www.cherylknows.com, and look for the Ultimate Personal Branding Workshop. I can also do keynotes around this material. I can also do team workshops around this material to help you leverage the power of your team. It is so unbelievably powerful what you can do when you discover how fabulous this is. So hopefully I will see you in a workshop very, very soon. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I can send you an assessment and we can get you going on your own personal journey. And that is some dynamite news you can use.